Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can activate eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, first we need to open the settings, and then in the settings we want to go to connections. In connections, open the SIM manager, and finally over here we have add eSIM option. Press on it and wait a couple of seconds in order to be able to scan the QR code. So if you press scan QR code, then you will open the camera where you can aim with the camera towards the QR code in order to scan it. If you have issues with the QR code, you can press enter activation code instead, where you can enter the code and then press done in order to use the code instead of scanning the QR code, of course. In addition to that, if you have the QR code in your device, for instance in the gallery, then you can use this icon over here in the bottom right corner in order to open the gallery, and then here you will be able to choose the picture with the QR code of the eSIM. And if you need help with the lighting, then over here you also have the flashlight that you can toggle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.